The best thing about business operations is it opens everything up to them. I think they can do marketing, management, any kind of general business, anything in technology, so it's wide open. Business Operations is a 2-year program we offer here at Chaparral High School. Year 1, we do a lot of Microsoft Office and get licensures in Microsoft Office and PowerPoint, Excel, and presentation. And then the second semester, we do a lot of stuff on Google Classroom, a lot of their apps. Year 2, we do an Arizona State Computer Information Systems class for college credit. And then we get certificates in supply chain management, Google project management, and we study international business and other things.
I just thought it'd be a good opportunity for me to get to know things about business. I just wanted to be more able to go out into the world with a better business sense. More than anything, it showed me how much I wasn't prepared and how much I didn't know about what actually needs to be done to put a business together. Just a lot of stuff that you don't really think about until you're actually doing it.
Here at Chaparral High School in our business operations programs, we're aligned with the Future Business Leaders of America, or FBLA, and it's a great opportunity for kids to learn more about business and to compete and to work with other people. Wherever they have an interest in, from real estate to general business to communication, they get opportunities to go and compete against other kids throughout the state. And I just think that gives them another opportunity to learn more about business and to practice doing role plays and practice situations and to test their knowledge.
I think any student that wants to have their own business someday should, because it really gets you familiar with what you need to do to start your own.